How to fix WhatsApp contact name not showing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. Further scroll down again and tap on the WhatsApp option you see there and then tap on contacts. Here, make sure the full access option is enabled, and if not, then tap on the full access option. Now, go back to settings and tap on the privacy and security option you see there and then tap on contacts. Here, go ahead and tap on WhatsApp and make sure the full access option is selected here too. Now, go back and open contacts on your device and then pull down to refresh and then restart your iPhone and see if that helps. If not, then open settings again and tap on your name and then tap on iCloud. Here, tap on contacts, and if you don't see the option for contacts, tap on the see all option. Here you will see the option for contacts. Make sure the toggle button for contacts is enabled. Now, go back to settings and tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on reset and then on reset location and privacy option you see there. Enter your passcode and reset location and privacy, and once done you should be able to see contacts on WhatsApp. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp contact name not showing, and if your issue is not fixed yet, then you can try to simply restart your iPhone, as restarting your iPhone helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.